Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Dr. Suresh, an English professor and a pronunciation coach. In English, most of the time, there are no connections between the spellings of the word and the pronunciations of the word. That makes it even more challenging for people to learn the pronunciation skills. For example, the letter E alone gives three different sounds. Sometimes it is A, as in get, jelly, and sometimes it is as in father, mother, brother, the ending sound. But letter E gives just like the E, short sound, like ear, like elite. If you see, both these words begin with the letter E, but then when it pronounced, it is E, as in eraser. And most of the ESL speakers are very good at the first two sounds we discussed about, and they get confused about the last sound because anywhere beginning with the E, they tend to pronounce it like A, but that's not the same all the time. For example, when you talk about the word E-A-R, it's not air, it's ear, which they get it, but there are some difficult sounds like elite. Talk about the word elite, and this word begins with the letter E, but when it is pronounced like elite. And there's another word called eraser. Eraser. The ESL speakers tend to pronounce it like eraser just because it begins with the letter E. I hope my videos break that barrier and help you understand the right way to pronounce English words. In today's video, we're going to talk about 10 words where there are no connections between the spellings of the word and the pronunciations of the word. Before we go into the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, you may consider subscribing to get regular video updates. Without further ado, let's get started. Word number 1, effective. Effective. It's an adverb. Effective. There are 3 syllables in this word, and we have to stress the second syllable. Fact should be given more volume than the rest of the syllables. Meaning, meaningful, effective, useful. Example, this is one of the most effective ways to learn English pronunciations. Word number 2, elaborate. Elaborate. It's an adjective. Elaborate. Elaborate. There are 4 syllables in this word, and we have to stress the second syllable. Lab should be given more volume than the rest of the syllables. Elaborate. Meaning, more detailed. Example, explain the concepts elaborately. Word number 3, eliminate. Eliminate, it's a verb. Eliminate. Eliminate. We have to stress the second syllable. Lim should be given more volume than the rest of the syllables. Eliminate, meaning to take out. Example, you have to eliminate negative attitude from your characteristics. Word number 4, embarrass. Embarrass. It is a verb. Embarrass. There are 3 syllables in this word, and we have to stress the second syllable. Bear should be given more volume. Embarrass, meaning uneasy feelings. Example, don't embarrass your friends in front of people. Word number 5, employment. Employment. There are 3 syllables in this word, and we have to stress the second syllable. Ploy should be given more volume. It's a noun. Employment, meaning job. Job. Example, so many people are hunting for a good employment. Word number 6, excuse. Excuse. There are 2 syllables in this word. Excuse. Excuse. Excuse should be given more volume. Excuse. And in that word, there is a letter S, and we have to pronounce that letter S like the Z. Excuse. excuse, meaning forget and forgive. Example, we have to excuse the kids for their mistakes. And word number 7, expense. Expense. There are 2 syllables in this word. Expense. Spence should be given more volume. It's a noun, meaning the money is spent on something. Example, my wife reduces the monthly expenses regularly. Word number 8, expect. Expect. There are only 2 syllables in this word. Expect. Spect should be given more volume. Expect. It's a verb, meaning contemplate, look for something. Example, I expect great things to happen in my life. Word number 9, explain. Explain. It's a verb. Explain. There are 2 syllables in this word, and we have to stress the second syllable. Explain, meaning to give a detailed description. Example, Tom explained about his project work. And the final word, word number 10, extremely. Extremely. It's an adverb. Extremely. There are 3 syllables in this word, and we have to stress the second syllable, extremely, meaning very. Example, she's extremely intelligent. I hope you really enjoyed this video and you have learned all these 10 words and how to pronounce them perfectly. If you have any suggestions, kindly put it in the comment box below. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great time.